Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my...
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below as we try to drop content consistently around here every single day. Also, you're brand new, hit that little notification bell down below and it'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Now, before we jump into today's video, huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. If you don't know who they are, check their links in the description down below to their IG. These are the guys who actually take care of this channel, who actually bring me sneakers, who actually bring me consistent content to the channel for you guys. So huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. Make sure you check their links in the description. All right, guys, but without further ado, let's get into today's review. The Air Jordan 6 Cool Gray. When I first seen this sneaker, bang, I thought it was so clean. As you know, if you love the Carmines, if you love the UNCs, you're gonna love this, man. This shoe is actually very crispy. Super clean, as you can see. All the shots I've seen DS Dan doing the video on them, super clean. Taking shots, super clean, man. Very clean. Huge shout out to DS Dan, man. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get into today's review. As we do over here on the channel, we're going to take a look at the outsole. Start off with the outsole. As you can see, we got some translucent hits. We have the all gray Jumpman with a predominantly all white bottom as well. Moving up, as you know, the outsole leaks up onto the midsole with that translucent material here on the midsole. As we got some gray, some white, really nice hits, man. The gray, it really goes well. You know, it's more of a glossy gray and more of a glossy white than you know what we've seen on the Jordan 6 before. It's more of like a flat, like on the Carmine, it's kind of got like a flat black. The UNC's kind of got like a flat black. This here is more of like a glossy gray, which is not bad. I mean, they could do better paint jobs on it, but it is what it is. All right, guys, taking a look at the toe box, we got a standard Jordan 6 toe box. As you can see, it's covered in that cool gray suede, nubuck, whatever you want to call it. All right, guys, moving up, we got flat white laces. Now, this shoe did not come with an extra set of laces, which I'm really not too, you know, surprised about, because me personally, I always keep the stock laces in. I usually never ever change them. Moving up, you got the lace lock with the Jumpman logo in white. As you know, we got the standard Air Jordan 6 tongue, rubber tongue, reading Air Jordan on the top of that. All right, guys, taking a look at the heel of the shoe, the back of the sneaker. As you can see, we have an embroidered Jumpman. Underneath it spells Air, also embroidered, which Nike Air on the back would look really sick. All right, guys, moving up, you got the pull tab. It's all gray with a white stripe. You know, nothing too crazy about the guts of the sneaker. Pretty much standard as for, you know, as for old Air Jordan 6 goes. All right, guys, taking a look at the inside of the shoe. Basically, same thing that's going on the inside, going on the outside. As you notice, you know, the Jordan 6 has a lot of perforated holes, you know, for your feet to breathe and whatnot. Same thing on the inside. The outsole is leaking up onto the midsole. You got more of a white. Still got that glossy gray finish here too. Really dope sneaker overall, man. But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment sections your thoughts, your opinions. I'd love to hear them. Are you going to pick them up? They are dropping February 28th, if I'm not mistaken, or 25th. One of those dates. Don't quote me on it, but I will do some research and I'll leave it in the description down below. But guys, make sure you stay tuned to the on foot at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out J&M Sneakers. Also, links in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate your support day in and day out. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.